everyone, welcome back to Business Central Sunday Challenges. So every week on Sunday, I'll be posting the Sunday challenges. If you wanted to participate, please log into my blog, that is learnwithgoms.com. So once if you enter learnwithgoms.com, you can see the menu called Sunday Challenges. So if you click the Sunday challenge, you can see the previous challenges which I have posted, and every week on Sunday between 10 to 10:30 a.m. I'll be posting the Sunday challenges. You can just participate. So anyhow, initially it will be from the basics towards the advanced. Okay, so if you are new to Business Central, then these Sunday challenges will be definitely helpful for you. If you are experienced in Business Central, so please leave your comments on how to improvise this challenge in a better way, because I need all your support in order to make it perfect. Okay, so what is the week 3 challenge? That is today's challenges. What you have to create a card page in Business Central. So the card page is basically based on the previous challenge. That is, in the previous week we have designed a table. The table is employee table, and I have given few requirements to you. You might have created it. Okay, so if you are seeing this challenge now, please go and try to create a table, and that is what we are going to develop. So this is the page. So you're going to create a page here, that is a card page, where you will be using all these data types. It's already created. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to make your card page like this. Your page source table is your employee table. Okay, so based on that, you have to create a page, and then you're going to publish and see how it is working. So yes, you have to exhibit this challenge in LinkedIn. You can use these hashtag, and you can tag me. And if you want to show, like, once you have completed this challenge, you can also post it on Facebook and also on the YouTube. So these are all the things which I have posted here. And if you need the solution, which will be discussed soon later probably. Okay, so this is the preview mode. I'm just showing. You can see this post by now. Okay, so please go and watch it and try to solve these challenges, so that you will get familiarized with all the Business Central data types and the basic object like table and the card page. I hope you find this video useful. So please share this video with everyone who will be benefited. That might be your peers, your fellow members, your team member, your friend, whoever it may be, who will be benefited out of this. Thank you. Take care. Bye.